Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about my top 7 red lipsticks. I'm a very big fan of red lipsticks and I keep trying different brands, different colors of red lipsticks. So today I'm gonna talk about my top 7 red lipsticks which I usually use it on day-to-day basis, especially when I'm going out. And you know, red lipstick just brightens your face. It makes you look a little more brighter and more, confident. I love wearing red lipstick. So without any further delay, let's talk about my top 7 red lipsticks. The first one is from the brand MAC. This is the MAC, the Ruby Woo. I know this lipstick doesn't need any introduction because I think every girl and every lady must be having this lipstick in her vanity. And this is one of the fast moving lipsticks in the world, and I don't want to talk much about this lipstick because we all know about this lipstick. This is how it looks like. It comes in this black packaging like this, and this is a beautiful shade. I love this shade, and I think I'll always, a whole life, I'm gonna buy this if it's available in the market. And yeah, so this brightens my face and I really like this lipstick. This is the one I am wearing right now. This is the MAC Ruby Woo, and this lipstick will suit on all skin tones. This is one of my favorite red lipsticks from my entire collection, and I can't live without this shade. This is a beautiful red lipstick, and this will look beautiful on all skin tones. This is how it looks like. So this is MAC Ruby Woo. So the next one is from the brand Nykaa. This is their, I think, newly launched one, I think few months back. This is their cream collection lipstick, and this is the shade I'm wearing. This is the shade On Fire. This is a beautiful daily daily use, not daily use, but yeah, you can wear it on daily basis. This is a very subtle red color, and this will look good on all skin tone. This is in creamy texture. It's not completely matte, but this is a creamy texture, and I really like this shade. It will look good on all skin tones. This is beautiful red color, and this is really affordable. This is for, I guess, $2.99 or something. Yeah, so this is what this shade looks like. This is the shade On Fire. This is Nykaa on cream matte lipstick, and they have many shades, and I'm gonna try more shades after the lockdown is uplifted. And I really like this range, and I love this shade as well. This will look good on all skin tones. This is On Fire, Nykaa. Okay, the third one is from the brand Sugar. I think even this doesn't need any introduction. This is Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade Scarlet O'Hara. This is how it looks like. It comes in a crayon format like this, and I love this shade as well. This is a very bright, beautiful red lipstick which will suit on all skin tones, and especially fair skin tone. It will really brighten up your face, and I really love this shade. And this lipstick is matte lipstick, and you don't feel anything on your lips. It's very light on your lips, and I really love matte lipsticks, and this is one of my favorite red matte lipstick from the brand Sugar. So this is Sugar Scarlet O'Hara. So the next one is from the brand Blue Heaven. This is a very affordable brand, and this is their Elegance matte lip color, and the shade number is 02, and this is very light on the lips. It has orange undertone which you can see. It's really a beautiful red lipstick. It's very light on the lips, and I really like the texture. I don't feel anything on my lips. It gives you a matte finish, and I really love the overall color and overall matte effect on my lips. So this is from the brand Blue Heaven Elegance matte lip color, and the shade is 02, and I think this color will look better on medium to fair skin tone. So this is a very beautiful color. So the next shade I'm going to talk about is from the brand Maybelline. This is Maybelline Sensational Liquid Lipstick, and this is what the color looks like. This is very pretty color. This is 01 to the fullest. I think even this is a newly launched from their range. This is for $3.99, I guess, and they have many colors, and I have few of them. I really love this color, and I really love the texture. It's very light on the lips. You don't feel anything on your lips. It's very light, and it stays good for 3 to 4 hours on your lips, and it does smudge and transfers a bit if you eat something. Otherwise, it's a really pretty color with orange undertone, and this shade will look pretty on, I think, all skin tones. So this is really pretty shade. This is to the fullest, and this is from the brand Maybelline. Okay, the next shade is from the brand Nykaa. This is Nykaa matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade 02 Maharani. I had the smaller size in this, and I really like the color. This is bright red color, and like a maroonish red, but it's actually red. I don't know, it's looking maroonish in the camera, but otherwise this is really a beautiful dark red, and this is like a proper function, marriage function color, where usually when we wear in heavy saris and all, so you wear this shade. It's a really pretty shade. I really love this shade, and I'm gonna buy a bigger size in this. I just wanted to try how it looks like, so I bought a smaller size. So next time I'm gonna buy the bigger size. This is really a pretty color, and this will look pretty on all skin tones. This is a very beautiful shade. This is Maharani Nykaa matte liquid matte lipstick, and you don't feel anything on your lips. It's very pretty light, and it stays for 4 to 5 hours, and it does fade a bit if you're eating something. Otherwise it really stays on the lips for long. This is a pretty shade, and this will suit on all skin tones. Okay, the last but not the least, this is from the brand My Glam. This is Manish Malhotra range, and the shade is Envy Me. And I also done a detailed review of this lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick, and it has orange undertone, and it's very light on the lips. I really like the color, but it's a little expensive. I think it's for $1,000 or something. Yeah. So yeah, it's not very dark red or something. It's like subtle red with orange undertone, and it's very light on the lips. I really like the overall texture and overall matte finish on my lips. So it gives you a matte finish, and this red will look pretty on fair to medium skin tone, and this is what this shade looks like. So these were my top 7 red lipstick, guys. I have many actually, but somehow I just shortlisted this 7 lipstick. These are not very expensive, except the MAC one. I think this is for 1600 or something, 1700 or something, and this one My Glam, this is for $1,000. Other than that, Sugar one is for 800, and the Nykaa one, this Nykaa small one, is for I think for 300 or something, and the other Nykaa, the cream one, is for $299, and Maybelline is for 400, and other one, this Blue Heaven, I don't remember exactly, but it's under 250 or 300, I guess. So yeah, these were my top 7 lipsticks, and I really liked the overall color on my lips, and I really like to wear them often, and this is how it looks like on my lips. So I hope this video was helpful, and in terms of selecting any red lipstick for you guys. And yeah, so overall nice lipsticks, and I really love wearing them. So yeah, so this was a video about my top 7 lipstick, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you to decide which one to buy for yourself. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care.